today we are going to renew this old Fujitsu laptop. Okay, so things what we will be doing today, we are going to replace the PES so that processor will work fine and there will be no heating issue. Then we are going to replace hard disk with this SSD drive. Okay, and older hard disk we are going to use with this hard disk caddy. It will get replaced in the CD drive, and we are going to boost up the RAM by another 8 GB here. Okay, so let's begin one by one. So first thing, we are going to replace the thermal paste. So when we open, I already opened this fan. Now let's open the processor. Pause it. Okay, so I'm removing this fan. So processor is below this. Okay, let's remove it. So as you can see, there should be paste here. Okay, thermal paste. What it does is it will take heat from this processor, and through this tube it will come here, and fan will help to cool the system down. As you can see, this paste is completely dried up. Okay, so our laptop is giving heating issue, so we will replace this. So I bought this thermal paste. It is available in any computer store, not very costly. Okay, so let me apply this. Okay, do not put extra, just put what is enough. Okay, and we can reuse for another laptop. So let me put this thing again in the place. Okay, then tighten the screw diagonally. Okay, means like this. 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. It's setting perfectly. Let me shoot this. Okay. Now it is getting tight. It's done. Now let's fix this fan back in the position. Okay, there's 2 tiny little screws. do not apply more pressure. Okay, this is sitting perfectly. Okay, we are done with replacing the thermal base. Now let's replace the RAM. Okay, so we have this another 8 GB of RAM here. You can see it is 8 GB DDR3 RAM. So this numbers here has to match, right? PC3L, PC3L, then 12800S, 12800S. These two needs to match, then only you can fit it. As you can see, I have this one slot of RAM empty, so I'm going to put it, just press it and like this, and you are done. Okay, so you have just install another 8 GB of RAM, so it will be 8 GB plus 8 GB, total 16 GB. Let's check the booting time on this regular hard disk. So let's check how much time it is taking. Going on. It's taking forever.
So this is the situation when we use a regular hard disk which is already inbuilt in a computer, and how much time it takes to get started. And just we are going to see that if we insert SSD hard disk in a computer, how much time will take to start. So we are going to compare this both hard disk time. So let's see. Still it's in progress. Whew. Okay.
Finally, something coming up. 1 minute already gone. It's coming up, 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 up. Please wait. Okay. So something has come up. Okay, let me put the password. Okay, so
How much time?
So almost 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, now we
So
will.
this was the speed of the regular hard disk which is already inbuilt in a computer. Now let's compare the speed of SSD hard disk.
Let's remove the battery first. Okay.
This is just for safety precaution.
Okay, so we will replace this hard disk with SSD. You can see it is 6 GB per second speed. Okay, let's see the performance after we remove it. Okay, so we're going to replace this carrier piece. So we have replaced its holder now. Let's put this. Aryan, put it.
Yes.
Okay. Firmly. Okay. And this is our old one which goes outside. It's done. Okay, so we'll repack everything.
Yes.
And obviously we have to install Windows on this new SSD, and then we'll do again the time video. So till this Windows 10 is getting installed, let's think what we can do with our earlier hard disk. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we have this hard disk caddy, so we are going to fit this into this hard disk caddy, and this will go into the here, the CD drive. Okay, so basically we'll remove this and fit this thing. So let's open the caddy. Open it. Okay, so what we got here, okay, some screws, a nice screwdriver, and this one. Okay, so let's fit this. Very simple procedure, it's given here what you need to do, and some good news here. Okay, so let's fit this. We have fit the hard disk in this caddy. Okay, we tighten these 1 2 3 and 4 screws. Okay, okay, so this was the earlier time with hard disk drive. We have replaced it with SSD. So now let's reset this thing and let's check the booting time. Okay, let's check. Okay, within 10 seconds, quite impressive. Okay. Okay. So pause it. So how you feel, Aryan?
So I'm very happy and excited to see my laptop is again getting a very new look. And as you can see, when I insert SSD, it only takes 10 seconds to boot up. So my request is that just if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe it. Bye.